Karen Joy Fritz here, sharing with you the different floor plans that are available through having a TinyBiz model. That ability to say, none of the overhead that I don't need and all of the fun that I love, and still have my business support the lifestyle that I want to experience. And today's model is all about lifestyle. It's the Nomad. This is the TinyBiz model for someone who literally wants to live on the road. Whether that means to travel to a new area and stay there for 3 months and really feel the local culture, or it means being on the road each day and celebrating a new destination each evening. The Nomad is all built around, where do I have connectivity? Because what obviously is not going to work is a marketing strategy based on local networking meetings, unless you're going to go someplace and be there long enough to visit the same group more than once. But generally, the Nomad is going to use more of an online marketing strategy. It might be on a couple of different social media platforms, but it's generally not going to be, I have to show up in person at a specific time over time, right? And then the delivery for the Nomad could be online sessions or an online group program, or it might be an information product, a course that people simply sign up and take with an associated group or community where you can ask questions at random times because you might be driving, right? So it's designed around making sure that you have that connectivity to go in and interact with your clients and your prospects at the times that are available to you. So particular tools like iOverlander that shows you where you can stay and how good the connectivity is there allow you to know in advance, like here's when I'll be en route and here's when I'll be stopped someplace and I can do my check-in, do my writing, perhaps write my travel blog, and encourage people to follow me, whether that's on Patreon or Instagram. Whatever it is that the model entails has to be able to be done online. I hope you'll be able to join us over in the TinyBiz Village. We have several nomads, and we'd love to share our best practices and hear what you discover about how to make it work.